everyone. Today we will understand what exactly the difference between R square versus adjusted R square. So this video will be no longer for a mathematical proof, or just basic concept to be understandable. Suppose there is a regression function y is equal to x1 plus x2, and in this regression model both x1 and x2 define very well this y. So x1 and x2 explain this y. So they are related variables in this regression model. Suppose this model gives me r square value of 0.7. Right, now I expand this regression model and add a new variable. Y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus a new variable called x3. That's the variable interest, because these variables are related to this y. That's why these variables to x1 and x2 can explain this y, but this variable x3 cannot explain this y. So if I add this variable inside our regression model, I hope you understand what is exactly the R square is, goodness of fit, which explain a better fit for a model. The higher the value, higher the fit. In this particular case, the R square value, suppose say 0.75. See, slightly changes the R square value. It says that the model is better. But exactly in real terms, the model is not better, because I add a variable that cannot explain this y. But in spite of that, I also getting higher R square value. That is not acceptable. That is the violating of the assumptions here. So for that limitation, we got adjusted R square. And what this adjusted R square do? Same case, if I add y is equal to x1 and x2, and if it has R square value of 0.7, and y, if I add x1, x2 and the variable that not related to that, this R square will give me 0.7. Because this R square is not R square, because this R square is adjusted R square. So adjusted R square give the actual relationship or the actual strength or actual goodness of fit of this regression model. So it never gives you higher R square value. So that is the basic difference of adjusted R square and R square. You can use a formula to detect that one by verifying yourself, but that is exactly what is the difference is. I hope you understand that. Thank you very much.